All right, everybody, welcome back. We got another video for you. This one comes from MidwestSafety. I haven't seen it. Let's go.
Charlotte 65 people will be fleeing. I'll be in pursuit of 400 southbound.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Charlotte 65 setting up for a dip. Charlotte 65 unable to clear right now, too much traffic. Speed's 90, lane 2.
Charlotte 61, 65, what are the charges?
Charlotte 65 is going to be in down 83. It's going to be at 83. That's fled from 100. Speed 108, 400 southbound.
Charlotte 53, I'm coming up on you.
Charlie 65, good hit, crashed into the wall.
Right here.
Charlie 65, continuing 400 southbound, got out of the pit. Charlie 65, we continue 400 south, trying to pit it again. Charlie 65, good pit. He's gonna take off on me again. Charlie 65, good third pit.
Charlie 53, you with him? Yeah.
Charlie 65, he took off again.
You say mainline?
Exited to Glen Ridge. .400 southbound. Another good pit. 400 southbound Glen Ridge. I believe he's going to be done now. Nope, he's still gone. TRV block him. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground!
To get comfortable, take a moment to like the video and subscribe. But if only genially, you enjoy what I do here, and let me know in the comments. Where are you tuning in from, and what time is it for you? Because it's always fascinating to see who's joining us around the world.